What's going on, everybody? We've got a clutch cover repair going on, so I figured I'd include you in on it. That way you can see what I do and kind of laugh at me or be impressed with what gets done. Thank you for clicking on the clip. Let's get this thing going. Clutch cover repair. And it's cracked all the way to there. That's a drill hole down here. Cracked up in there. Alright. So far it's been welded on just the cover. I haven't gone inside, but that's all welded up. Welded on the inside all the way. I'd like to take this moment of high speed and thank you all for clicking on the clip. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. You never know what I'm going to post. Builds, riding, fixes, never know. Shop stuff, racing stuff, motorsports. At least go down there and smack that like button around a little bit. It's free, it's easy to get to, right on the screen. Throw a comment in there, tell me what you think of the video. If you got any mechanical questions or fabrication questions or whatnot, let me know. Ask the questions and I'll do my best to answer them. Other than that, enjoy the rest of the video and have an absolutely great day. Alright, all fixed. Welded there, welded there. All better. Time for powder.
20 minutes. Oh, yeah, smells like it.
Oops.
Ooh, yeah, smells like it's been in there 20 minutes. At least. Seal the fuck? What's the seal on it?
Yeah, I'm not worried about the seal.
Hmm.
What the fuck? Okay, it's gonna need a second go.
Yep. Tell them it's gonna be black or.
All right, moment of truth. Did I fuck it up even more? Or is it better? Acceptable. Wait a minute. Son of a bitch. It wasn't on. What the fuck, man? Alright, now that the oven has been on for 20 minutes and not just closed, hopefully. That looks a lot better. That looks a lot better. There you go, one repaired clutch cover.